Hi and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I use AI to create differentiated worksheets for a lesson. So we're covering support, core and stretch, and I'll show you how we can do that in just a few minutes. Differentiation is one of the most time-consuming parts of teaching. In today's lesson I'm going to show you a slightly different way of prompting the AI model. The key idea is this: first we set the scene for the lesson, and once that's done we can keep asking for resources without repeating ourselves. Now that will become clear as we go through the video. Before I ask for the worksheets, I'm going to start by setting the scene. The first prompt tells the AI who it is, what I'm teaching, and what students need to learn. Think of this like explaining your lesson to a supply teacher. So, you're an experienced UK GCSE Biology teacher. I am teaching biology lessons. We're going to be doing photosynthesis, the exam board, the outcome I want for my students. And this is the part here, it's the important part. So this is a mixed ability class including SEND and EAL students. I then ask it to acknowledge that it's actually understood what we want it to do, or in fact what we want it to be. As you can see, I'm not actually asking for worksheets yet. I'm just setting the context, the subject board, exam board, etc. So it's come back here. So first statement there, I understand the lesson context. It repeats it, and it's also then come back with some helpful hints that we can use, but we're going to proceed with our own. So once this context is set, the AI remembers it for the rest of the conversation. So that means I don't need to keep repeating GCSE, AQA or photosynthesis every time I ask for something. Now in today's lesson, or in today's video, sorry, I'm not going to be asking for anything other than the worksheets. But the important part here is, once I've set the scene, I can actually ask for anything that could be related to that. So it's very important once it's set. Okay, so let's proceed and ask for the differentiated worksheets. So there's my updated, or my new prompt certainly. So this follows on, so this is chaining on from the first prompt. So using the lesson context above, create 3 differentiated worksheets. And as mentioned previously, you've got support, core and stretch. The requirements, so I want it GCSE appropriate language, exam style questions, print ready format, etc. I'm going to use word banks, sentence starters and scaffolding, the core, and etc, etc. So let's click on that now. Let it go away and start thinking about that. And here we go. It's already started producing it. Learning focus. And here we go. Question 1, keywords. This is 4 marks. So this is word bank to use for those. Second question. Here we go. It's also got the answers for us. So as mentioned previously, the first worksheet here is the support one. We then come down here. We've got the core. So again, state the word equation for photosynthesis, name the energy source. So that's less scaffolding, and the answer as well. And then lastly, we have the stretch. So here we've actually had the equation below is not balanced. So the first thing, balance the equation, explain how you knew which numbers to add. So again, a very simple context setting and also prompt. We've now got a number of worksheets, that's foundation and higher, and we can also ask for additional stuff if we want to. We can also adapt the support worksheet. So we might say, so let's adapt the support worksheet for students with a reading age of 9 to 10. So again, we're setting the scene again. So let's click on that. And here we go. This will actually label it simplify. Again, here we go. Photosynthesis, how plants make food. So here we go. Plants use light to make food. This looks slightly easier. And again, the answers are there as well. It's only come back with a short worksheet, maybe last 5 or 10 minutes during the lesson. But there again, we've now created 3 differentiated worksheets. And again, imagine trying to do that manually. This took around 5 minutes. I could have probably done it faster if I wasn't recording this session. And again, once that's generated, you still need to actually apply your professional judgment before using it in class. But it's a great, if it's not perfect, it's a great starting point. And once, as mentioned earlier on, you can either download that and update yourself, or you can go back to the large language model and enter in additional prompts and get those updated. Hope you found that useful. Thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you next time.